Hello students, myself Bhuneshwari Sahu and today I am discuss about the chemical reaction. So the change of one or more substance into another substance having different composition and properties is called chemical reaction. So these are the example of chemical reaction. When carbon is combined with oxygen, it form carbon dioxide. So it is a changes. So it is called chemical reaction. And there are different types of chemical reaction. So the first one is combination reaction, second decomposition reaction, the third one is displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, oxidation reduction reaction, precipitation reaction, and exothermic and endothermic reaction. So there are different kinds of chemical reaction. Now firstly we will discuss about the combination reaction. So the combination reaction, in this reaction in which two or more substance combine together to form a new substance is called combination reaction. And many combination reaction are also example of combination reaction, like here the compound A, B and C combine to each other and form A, B, C. So this is the reactant and this is the product. Also these are the some example of combination reaction. Then decomposition reaction. So decomposition means the reaction in which a substance is broken down into two or more simpler substance is known as decomposition reaction. So here are some examples of decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction, when zinc carbonate is heated, then it forms zinc oxide and carbon dioxide. So one compound is breakdown into two substance or two compounds. Also displacement reaction. So the displacement reaction is the reaction in which one part of molecule is replaced by another is called a displacement reaction. Here you can also see the displacement reaction when X compound is react with Y and Z. So the X compound replace Y and it form XZ compound. Then it is some example of displacement reaction when zinc is react with hydrochloric acid. So it forms zinc chloride and release hydrogen gas. So zinc is replaced hydrogen. Double displacement reaction. So in this reaction the two reactant ionic compound exchange their corresponding ions is called double displacement reaction. So you can also see in this example when WX compound is react with YZ compound. So W compound displace Y compound and Y compound is in the place of W. So it form YX compound and WZ compound. Here also some examples of double displacement reaction. When silver nitrate is treated with sodium chloride, so it forms silver chloride and sodium nitrate. So in the place of silver nitrate, silver is replace sodium and sodium also replace silver. Then next, oxidation reduction reaction. So in oxidation reaction, any process involve addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen and also loss of electron is known as oxidation reaction. Reduction reaction may also process involving removal of oxygen and addition of hydrogen. Also gain of electron is known as reduction reaction. So this is the example of oxidation reduction reaction. Precipitation reaction. In this reaction, one of the product form is an insoluble substance and is thrown out of the solution as a solid called precipitate, and this reaction is also called precipitation reaction. See, here some examples of precipitation reaction. When silver nitrate react with potassium chloride, it forms silver chloride precipitate and also potassium nitrate. Thank you.